Social media is a great way to keep in touch with your clients, family, and friends, especially if you're on Instagram and using their questions feature. So from your Instagram profile, at the bottom left, you'll see the house icon. We're going to click that to go to the home page. From here, you'll see the camera button at the top left. If your camera is on, just slide the words at the bottom until you have create. Okay, now you can press the colored circle at the bottom right-hand side until you see a background that you like. Okay, and then once you're ready, we can click the happy face button at the top. Okay, and from here, we can see that we have the questions feature. So I'm going to click that, and it's already filled in with ask me a question. I'm just going to finish it off. I'm going to write about real estate. Okay, perfect. So you can see your viewers can now respond to this sticker. When they see this on their feed, they can type their question in the text box. Okay, and if you also want to tap the happy face again, don't forget you can type in the word Sutton, and all of our awesome gifts will pop up that you can use to decorate any of your stories. So I'm going to use this one here. I'm the key to your new home. So now that doesn't go with my background anymore. So I'm going to tap the circle up at the top. Here we go to change it to this lighter color. Okay, so now when you're ready, you can press the Your Story button at the bottom left, and this will be sent out to your newsfeed. Perfect, all done.